Right now we're headed to deliver a skid steer, something different from what we usually do on this channel. Come on back. All right, we're here. Let's get this thing unloaded. All right, let's get up in here and get it off. So the company that I work for not only does dumpsters, we do porta johns, and we also rent out smaller equipment, skid steers, mini X's, stuff like that. But when we're kind of slow on dumpsters or porta johns, I'll help deliver equipment as well. But I'm not above anything. I'll pump some porta johns out and I'll deliver equipment. Doesn't matter to me, it all pays the same.